Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you some very interesting thing and very easy thing in AutoCAD. Okay. So normally when we open a new file AutoCAD, if we draw REC one rectangle REC. So let's DLI meaning dimension. If you double enter, it will change to box. So you can click here and here. So you will see this dimension. Okay. DLI. Enter. So you will see this dimension. So for me, I feel this dimension small. I need little bigger. Okay. So what we are used to do, we go to standard and modify. And this text, we increase this dimension text. Like let's say one symbol. Also we have to do one. Too many settings. Everything. Okay. Something like this. So when you do that, this dimension will increase. If we don't satisfy with the size of the dimension, we go again the modify and change it again like zero point 0.5. So in the text, all right, okay. Also in the symbol, let's go with the zero point 0.5. So what will happen? It will make smaller. So let's say this is our drawing and I need one section. Let's say this is a small section, but I need a smaller dimension here. DLI enter. Now this is bigger. So what we used to do, we go D again. So here we will go to the new because I cannot use here. So I will copy of this one, continue. Then I will make this text 0.2 something. Okay, 0.2. Okay, close. Then, yeah, we have to make this one set current. D enter. Okay, to get this dialog close. I will delete this. DLI enter. So I will get a smaller dimension. Also, there is option you can click this one, control one. You can manage sizes from here without taking any new dimension. Okay, but this is a long way. So let's close this one. I'll show you very easy way. Okay, let's open new document. No, I didn't modify any new dimension, nothing. Just I will do REC. Okay, DLI enter. Now this dimensions go very small. I want bigger. So there's a command in AutoCAD. I don't know in very old version it's available or not, but the new version all available. So you try if you have old version. Dim scale. Okay. When you enter dim scale, it's already 1. Okay. So let's type 3. Enter. Now DLI enter. Okay. My dimension is big. Very easy. So now I need a smaller dimension. Okay. DLI. Now, sorry. Dim scale. Enter. Maybe I will go with the 2. Okay. Now again DLI. Enter. So I have another dimension and in different size. So if you go to the D, you will see here style override. Okay. Because whenever I'm making a dim scale, I will go to this again. Okay. New. Open. So if you go to the dimension, you will not see any style override. So okay. So once I make one dimension DLI, enter. So this is default dimension. So D enter. Still I am not seeing any style override. When you see dim scale, enter. Let's go with 3. Enter. Again DLI. Enter. So you will see D enter. Style override came. So in that time, if you want to change color or something, you can go to the standard. Make it set current those style. Okay. Then the override will go. So modify. When you change the color of the text somewhere here, next blue, okay, close. It will change all blue. So again DLI, so which dimensions size will come? The default one or bigger one? Let's check double entry, the small one. So again you have to go dim scale, 2 or 3 or 4, maybe you can put 5 if you want. Enter, oh sorry, DLI, enter, enter. So this is fine. So why I'm going with 1, 2, 3? Because this is small text. So if I am having a drawing and very big, you can go with 100, 200, 300, whatever you want. So enjoy your life, make work your easier, and inshallah, we will meet in next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye. And if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe so we can learn together. Assalamu alaikum.